Welcome back to the Daily Drives channel, where we dive into the most exciting releases, smart vehicle conversions, and everything you need to know about life on four wheels. If you're passionate about van life, innovative car design, or you're just dreaming of your next big adventure, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van, and trust me, this is one vehicle that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Whether you're an experienced road tripper or just someone who dreams of a simple, budget-friendly setup, the new Dokker is making camper van life more accessible than ever before. Dacia has always been about offering incredible value, and the 2026 Dokker takes that reputation to the next level. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Dokker doesn't scream luxury, and that's exactly the point. Dacia understands that not everyone needs chrome accents or massive grills. What the Dokker offers instead is a sleek, practical design focused on functionality. The slightly squared-off silhouette maximizes interior space without making the van look boxy or outdated. Fresh LED headlamps, refined body lines, and a few rugged elements like protective body cladding make this camper version not just practical but also stylish enough to look at home whether you're parked at a beach or hidden away in a forest clearing. Under the hood, Dacia offers a couple of efficient engine options for the Dokker Camper 2026. There's a petrol version and an even more economical diesel variant, both designed to prioritize fuel economy and reliability over sheer power. For those considering longer journeys off the beaten path, the diesel is the one to watch, delivering great torque for those steep mountain drives while still keeping running costs refreshingly low. There's also strong speculation about a mild hybrid version arriving shortly after the launch, ideal for eco-conscious adventurers. But where the Dacia Dokker Camper truly shines is on the inside. Once you slide open that large side door, you immediately appreciate how cleverly the space has been used. The interior layout is simple, efficient, and incredibly flexible. In standard setup, you get a compact yet cozy living area that you can easily convert between a lounge, a dining space, and a sleeping area. The rear seats fold flat seamlessly, creating a spacious double bed that's surprisingly comfortable for two adults. Storage is where Dacia's clever engineering really shows. Every nook and cranny of the van has been utilized. Overhead lockers, underbed storage compartments, and side pockets offer more than enough room for all your travel essentials. Whether you're packing outdoor gear, kitchen supplies, or extra clothes for an extended trip, there's a spot for everything without feeling cramped. Speaking of kitchen supplies, yes, the 2026 Dokker Camper comes equipped with a compact yet functional kitchenette. Tucked neatly behind the rear hatch, you'll find a simple setup including a 2-burner gas stove, a small but efficient sink with a portable water system, and a surprisingly decent fridge. There's enough counter space to prep meals, and when the weather's nice, you can extend your living space outside with a pull-out awning and a foldable outdoor table setup. It's not a full-on luxury kitchen, but for weekend warriors or minimalist full-timers, it ticks all the right boxes. Climate control options are also surprisingly good for a compact van in this segment. There's optional insulated window coverings, roof ventilation, and a compact auxiliary heater option for those colder nights in the wilderness. These features ensure that you stay comfortable no matter where your travels take you, from hot deserts to chilly mountain passes. Driving the Dokker Camper is a breeze, thanks to its car-like handling. The elevated driving position offers excellent visibility, and the compact dimensions make navigating narrow city streets or twisty country roads stress-free. Features like parking sensors and optional rear-view cameras make maneuvering into tight camping spots easier than ever. And thanks to Dacia's improvements in ride comfort and cabin insulation for 2026, longer drives are quieter and much more pleasant compared to previous models. Safety has also seen a serious upgrade. The Dokker Camper now comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, emergency braking assistance, and adaptive cruise control. For those planning cross-country adventures, having these extra layers of safety makes a huge difference. giving you more confidence behind the wheel and letting you focus more on the journey rather than worrying about traffic. Customization is another area where the new Dokker Camper really excels. Buyers can choose from several different modular kits depending on their needs and budget. Whether you're looking for just a simple fold-out bed platform and some storage, or you want the full works with kitchenette, solar power systems, upgraded mattresses, and exterior bike racks, Dacia offers packages that are both customizable and affordable. It means you're not paying for features you won't use, but you have the option to build your dream setup if you want it. Another standout point about the 2026 Dokker Camper is its affordability. Compared to rivals like the Volkswagen Caddy California or the Ford Transit Connect camper conversions, the Dokker offers a compelling alternative at a significantly lower price point. For van life enthusiasts or budget-conscious travelers, that makes a world of difference. You're getting a capable, well-built micro-camper without the premium price tag, and for many, that's a dream come true. One important thing to note is that while the Dokker Camper is incredibly versatile, it is still a compact van. If you're looking for standing height inside without a pop top, or if you need space for a family of 4, you might need to look at larger alternatives. But for solo travelers, couples, or even a parent with one child looking for weekend getaways, it strikes an almost perfect balance between size, functionality, and cost. In terms of aftermarket support, expect plenty of options as well. Dacia's partnership with various camper conversion specialists means you can further personalize your Dokker with off-grid accessories like additional solar panels, lithium battery setups, portable showers, roof racks, and more. Whether you're planning on staying in campgrounds or venturing far off the grid, it's easy to adapt the Dokker to suit your style of adventure. Overall, the Dacia Dokker Camper 2026 is a refreshing reminder that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy a functional, stylish, and reliable camper van experience. It's practical where it counts, offers real value for money, and makes the dream of owning a camper van far more accessible for a wider range of people. In a world where so many vehicles are chasing luxury at sky-high prices, the Dokker brings us back to what matters: freedom, simplicity, and the pure joy of the open road. Thank you for tuning into today's deep dive on the Dacia Dokker Camper 2026. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and share it with anyone you think might love the van life. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and tell us, would you consider the Dokker Camper for your adventures? Don't forget to subscribe for more van life inspiration, reviews, and tips. Until next time, keep chasing those horizons and stay adventurous.